Video, I brought an interesting video, an educative video that will benefit both the male and the female. Yes, both the male and the female. So what's this video about? It's about the secret of getting pregnant and also the secret of avoiding pregnancy. So if you're trying to conceive, if you're trying to have unprotected sex without getting pregnant, yes, I said it. If you're trying to have unprotected sex without getting pregnant and you're trying to conceive, this video is for you. So if you want to know that secret, come along with me. Let's dive into the video. All right? So the secret is knowing how to calculate your ovulation period, your safe period, and also your fertile period. So this is an accurate calendar method to use to track this period. So if you are trying to conceive, the most important thing you need to know is your fertile window, because during this stage, you are going to ovulate on one of those days. That means an egg is going to be released from your ovary for fertilization. So if you have unprotected sex during this stage, you are definitely going to get pregnant. So how do I know my fertile period? Firstly, you need to know the length of your cycle. How long is your cycle? I'm not talking about the number of days you bleed for, but the first day you see your period to the day before your next period. Some ladies mistake the number of days of their period to the length of their cycle. No, they are different. The number of days is 5 days, 3 days, 7 days, 6 days. But the length of your cycle is 28 days, 25 days, 26 days, 22 days. But the normal length of your cycle should be from 21 to 35 days. This is the normal length of cycle, 21 to 35 days. But if you are seeing shorter days, like 20, 19, 18, or longer days, like 36, 37, 40, 41, then you need to see your doctor immediately. So let's do the math now. How do you know the length of your cycle? This is the month of October, and you saw your period on the 2nd of October. For example, you saw your period on the 2nd of October. Then again, you saw your period on the 29th of October. That's why some ladies used to see their period 2 times in a month and be asking, what's the reason? Why am I seeing my period 2 times in a month? It's because of the length of your cycle. That is why you are seeing your period 2 times in a month. So seeing your period on the 2nd of October, then on the 29th of October, we are going to start counting from the first day you see your period. That is 2nd of October. You are not going to start counting from this place, 29. It's the very first day you see your period. That's 2nd, sorry. So you start counting 1. 2nd is 1. 3rd is 2. 4th is 3. Like that, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. So this is 27 before your next period. That's why we are stopping here. This is your period. We are not going to count this your period to the length of your cycle. It's the last day before your period you are going to stop. So this is a 27 length of cycle. 27 days length of your cycle. So if your length of your cycle is 27 days, you are lucky that we are working on yours right now. So let's continue. 27 days length of cycle. That is noted. So moving on to the fertile window. When is your fertile window? When is your ovulation day? When can you get pregnant? When can you have unprotected sex to get pregnant? Let's find out. So we've gotten our length of cycle to be 27 days. And according to science, a woman's ovulation usually happens 14 days before her next period. That means 14 days before she starts bleeding again. So we minus 14 from 27. 27 minus 14 will give us 13 days. So 13 days is when you are supposed to be ovulating. It's when science has already predicted that your ovulation will happen. So we look for 13 days on the calendar. So this is 13 days. 13 days is falling on the 14th of October. This is when you are supposed to see your ovulation day. But guess what? Ovulation sometimes can come early and sometimes it can be delayed, just like your period. You can see your period early and also you can see your period late. But if you don't want to miss the chances of getting pregnant, you have to do this by adding 2 days before your predicted ovulation and 2 days after your predicted ovulation. I know you guys don't understand. Let's do the math so that you guys understand it. So this is the predicted ovulation day, 14th of October. Then you add 2 days before this 14th. That's 1, 2, 12 and 13. Then 2 days after your predicted ovulation, 1, 2. That's 15th and 16th. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 5 days you are going to ovulate. You can easily get pregnant during these 5 days. Easily, without stress. If you have unprotected sex, you can easily get pregnant. This is when your body is most likely to release an egg. But that is not the end of your fertile window. Yes, we are not done. That is not the end of your fertile window. According to science, a woman can conceive even before her fertile window because sperm can live in a woman's body from 3 to 5 days. So you can get pregnant if you have unprotected sex. That's especially for women who have shorter cycle, like 21 days, 22 days, 23 days. You can get pregnant before your fertile window. That is why it is important for you to know the full length of your fertile window. So now we are going to add 5 days backward to your already fertile window. 5 days backward to your already fertile window. So this is your already fertile window, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. We had 5 days backward to this fertile window. That's 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. So this is when you can start having unprotected sex so that you not miss the chance of getting pregnant. You start from 7 to 16th of October. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16th. That is your fertile window. Why the remaining days is your safe period. If you are trying to avoid pregnancy, you can have sex without condom, without protection, and you will not get pregnant. All right, guys, this is the 27 days length of cycle. I just finished solving 27 days length of cycle. So if you are trying to get pregnant, if you're trying to avoid pregnancy, you use this method. This method is an accurate method, no stress. But people with 26 days, 28 days, 30 days, they have different ovulation period, different safe period, and different fertile window. But note, women with shorter cycle like 21 days, 22 days, 23 days, even 25 days can get pregnant while seeing their period because their fertile window falls within their period. All right, guys, to round up my teaching, I would like to do another example so that you guys will understand me better. All right, let's clean this. So we saw our period on the 2nd of October, our first period on the 2nd of October. Then we see our next period on the 27th of October. So we start counting from the first day we saw our period. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So we are not counting the next day we saw our period. We are stopping at the 26th of October. So 25 days length of cycle. 25 days length of cycle. So people with shorter cycle, you need to watch this. 25 days length of cycle. So according to science, a woman's ovulation usually starts 14 days before her next period. So we minus 14 from 25. 25 minus 14 will give us 11. So we start locating where 11 is because we've already counted. Okay, this is where 11 is on the 12th of October. So on the 12th of October is your ovulation day. It is your predicted ovulation day. So we add 2 days before your ovulation day and 2 days after your ovulation day. That's 2 days before 12, that's 11, 10, and 2 days after 12, that's 13, 14. So this is the days you have higher chances of getting pregnant, 10 to 14, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. If you want to get pregnant, if you are trying to conceive, you do this method. So sperm can live in a woman's body from 3 to 5 days. So we add 5 days backward. After knowing your fertile window, you add 5 days backward. So this is your fertile window, 10. So you had 5 days, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So from the 5th of October, you start having sex to get pregnant to the 14th of October because that is your fertile window. Even though you are having 3 days period, 5 days period, that's why I told you that women with shorter cycle can get pregnant while seeing their period. So this is the example now. So this is when you can get pregnant, from 5 to 14. While the remaining days are your safe period. The remaining days are your safe period before your next period. So this is how to calculate your ovulation day, your safe period, and your fertile window. It's quite easy. Just get a book and watch my video and you will understand it. But if you don't understand it, just drop a comment in the comment section, drop your questions, and let's discuss. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for listening. Please subscribe, like, and share. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.